Good morning, dear students. Today, in geography, we are going to continue the same chapter, that is agriculture. Children, as you know, agriculture has been the backbone of Indian economy. It provides employment and livelihood to the majority of its population. Children, two-thirds of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. It is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume. Besides food grains, it also produces raw material for various industries. Moreover, some agricultural products like tea, coffee, spices, etc. are also exported. All other sectors of Indian economy heavily depends on agriculture for their growth. Children, a variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country, depending upon the variation in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millet, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton, jute, etc. And children, in our previous lecture, we have studied about rice, wheat, millet, pulses, etc. And today we will start with rubber. Children, it is an equatorial crop, but under special conditions, it can also be grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It is a tree of a tropical forest and requires a constant high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Thus, the rubber tree cannot be grown at high altitude. Children, it requires moist and humid climate with rainfall more than 200 centimeters. That means it needs heavy and well distributed rainfall throughout the year. Children, rubber is an important industrial raw material. It is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Garo Hills of Meghalaya. In 2010-11, India ranked 4th among the world's natural rubber producers. Children, once again I am repeating this crop. It is an equatorial crop, but under special condition it can be grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires more than 200 centimeters of annual rainfall and the temperature should be above 25 degrees Celsius, and it is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Now children, fiber crops, cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the four major fiber crops grown in India. The first three are derived from the crops grown in the soil. The latter is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm fed on green leaves, especially mulberry. Rearing of silkworm for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Once again, see this children. Cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are four major fiber crops grown in India. And what is sericulture? Sericulture means rearing of silkworm for the production of silk. We call it as a sericulture. Now children, cotton. India is believed to be the original home of the cotton plant. Cotton is one of the main raw materials for the cotton textile industry. In 2008, India was the second largest producer of cotton after China. Cotton grows well in drier parts of black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation. 210 days frost free is required and bright sunshine for its growth. That means 210 frost free days and bright sunshine is required for the growth of the cotton plant. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Children, once again I am repeating this. Cotton plant is a kharif plant and it grows well in a drier parts of black cotton soil in a Deccan Plateau region. Children, it requires a high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation. Children, remember this: 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. And the major producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Now children, jute. It is also known as golden fiber. Jute grows well on well-drained, fertile soil in the floodplains where soil are renewed every year. Children, once again listen this. It grows well on a well-drained, fertile soils in the floodplains where soils are renewed every year. High temperature is required during the time of growth. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya are the major jute producing states. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets and other artifacts. Due to its high cost, it is losing market to the synthetic fiber and packing material, particularly the nylon. Children, once again listen it very carefully. Jute is also known as golden fiber. It grows well on well-drained fertile soil in the floodplains. The major jute producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. It can be used to manufacture gunny bags, mat, ropes, yarn, carpets and other artifacts. That's all for today and have a nice day.